Hello Scratch Nation, this is Nature Technology. Today I will make a quick game tutorial from Scratch 2. It was entitled Bat Shooter. If you're familiar with the retro game Shooting Ducks, it is kinda similar. By the way, I will make a full tutorial of this game once you hit the like and subscribe button. Right now, I will show you the already built and programmed version of the game. A really quick tutorial, but don't worry, I explain it one by one. So let's start. First, get some backdrops. We will use it for stages. Here I got 6 backdrops, imported backdrops from their libraries. Then import and draw some sprites. Later I will explain it one by one. I will explain the function of every sprites. So let's move on. On the script of the backdrops, create first some variables like this. Create these variables, then put these codes after you create all of them. This one, I'll make it a little bit small lang. So this is it. And if you are done with that, we will proceed. So here on the bat, this is the enemy of the game. The antagonist or protagonist, don't know. So these two lines is the end line, and the end line of the upper part and the bottom part. So when the bat hit that line, it will disappear, it will hide. Then same as this, the lower part. When you click this, it will broadcast start. So if you broadcast start, some sprites will appear, like this arrow, this is sprites. So I will start it. This is sprites. So this is the character of our king. Rob, special attacks, bubble beam, then bloody scratch from the cat, then dirty cheese bomb from the rat. So I will choose first the crab. So this is the game plan. When you hit the bat, the bubble, it will enclose by bubbles, then fall down. So let's try another sprite. This is my favorite character, cat. Watch. It was brutally killing the bat. So this is my favorite. So let's try the mouse. Dirty cheese bomb is pretty brutal, like the scratch of the cat. Let's proceed. I will explain now one by one sprites. I will show the program. So here from the bat, this is the program. copy this. It's kinda long because of the bad costumes. That's it. Then the clone, the program for the clone. Okay, then sprite 1, nothing to do with this too. So let's proceed to the sprite 3, which is the Crowser. So copy this program. Character crab. So this is the program for the crab. All three characters kind of similar with the codes. Just modify the costume and character number. So crab is equal to character number 1. Change the related blocks from each sprites, like this costume and other related. So this is the other program for other sprites. It's kind of similar. Oh no, this is for the okay. This is for the switch character, this one. These three sprites. This is for the gameplay. So it's I change this. Kinda similar with the crab. Just change the costume, other similar. This one for the attack, it's kind of a word which is showing and hiding when it receives something. Similar with this, showing and hiding. But this 2 and the other bubbles, this is the ammo. You can see it when you are on the gameplay, then pressing space. So I will show you. You see in the Crowser. So by the way, when you are out of ammo, you are game over. Then when you are when you are out of bats, then you have ammo, you are game over. Because no more bats to shoot. Every bat hits this line, upper line, minus number of bats, -1 from number of bats. It's kinda, this one is for the Crowser. entry of that. See, it was pointed from the cursor. So that's the problem for it. Then the check, this one, it will broadcast the game start. So when you notice, everything here has a game start broadcast. So once you choose your character, then click this check, then it will broadcast the game start. So everything without the game start broadcast, it will disappear or hide. Everything with the game start broadcast, it will appear. And that was the gameplay. So that's it. Thank you for watching.